John Doody, the mastermind behind Gold Stock Analyst Day, joins me now. John, good to be reunited with you.
Well, nice to have you again here again this year, Daniela.
Absolutely. We're happy to be back. What can we expect tomorrow? It's your top 10 mining companies, right?
Well, the top 10 gold and the favorite 5 silver. So there'll be 15 companies making presentations to our current subscribers who've come here for the day. Starts at 7:30 in the morning, runs to about 7:30 at night, which is the cocktail party.
Absolutely. So, John, I guess that's what I'd like to ask you is when you're selecting these companies, what do you look for? Because I know you're not chasing the price of gold.
Yeah, no, we're fundamental analysis, and we follow, in one of our publications, GSA Pro, we follow 60 existing mining stocks, gold mining stocks, or soon-to-be miners in the sense that they've got a feasibility study. We do not follow explorers. So we look at either the producers that are growing, the developers that are about to start production, and the royalty companies. And from that group of 60, we find find the 10 best, what we think are the 10 best, and we take a portfolio approach to investing. We tell subscribers, do not try to cherry pick our list of 1 or 2. If we could do that, we'd only have a top 1 or 2, but it's impossible. You never know how Mr. Market is going to react, and the best and safest way to play the gold stocks is a portfolio of 10, we've found.
Okay, so we all know the year they had last year, John. It wasn't a pretty one. Do you expect a turnaround for the mining companies?
Oh, yeah, we've already seen it. As we know, gold is up about 9% this year. The XAU is up 18%, and the top 10's up 48%. And so we had a bounce. And the question is, are the stocks ahead of the metal? And they may be a little bit ahead of the metal. Sometimes the stocks lead the metal higher. Sometimes it's the reverse. And there was such a sell-off at the end of last year. Any professional money manager that had gold in his portfolio got rid of it by the end of the year, and that's what drove the prices lower. And they've all bounced off of that. And now is the time to be cautious. We'd like to see the gold price pick up to a higher level that would justify the current stock prices.
You know what's interesting, John? Especially the conferences I was covering towards the end of last year, I saw how attendance was really dwindling. So do you think that the people who will benefit are the ones who are really toughed it out and stuck around?
Yeah. It's our track record proves that if you ride out these downturns and they come along, over 13 years, our average gain has been 28% a year. There have been down years in that, but we've had up years of over 100% for the portfolio. So if you just stay with it, you'll be all right.
So I know you've said many times that you don't chase the price of gold, but you still follow the fundamentals closely, right? You still follow the Fed, you still track the U.S. dollar.
Sure. Well, I'm a former professor of economics, and that's what all my education is in. So, I think we've got a very liberal Fed monetary policy. The Fed cannot get rid of the dollar or the debt that is bought on its balance sheet. It's going to let it run off over the next 25 years. So what that means is we're going to have all the money that the Fed's pumped into the economy, and ultimately the economy is going to get rolling. And with all the money out there, as the increasing economic activity increases the velocity of money, that's where the inflation will turn up. And it may not be this year, but it'll be next year. And the point is that you want to be ahead of these incidences, not behind them. And you have to anticipate, the increased inflation that will come ultimately from all this increased money.
On that note, John, thank you so much. We look forward to tomorrow.
Great. I'll see you bright and early.
Absolutely. And thanks for watching. We'll have coverage from GSA Day tomorrow, so stay tuned to Kitco.com. In the meantime, you can email me at newsfeedback@kitco.com. Any comments or questions, or follow me on Twitter at Daniela Camboni. Thanks for watching.